What is Eid-ul-Fitr? Eid-ul-Fitr is the celebration after Ramadan. It's a special day for Muslims around the world to thank Allah for the strength to fast and pray during the holy month. Why do we celebrate? We celebrate because Eid is a gift from Allah after fasting the whole month of Ramadan. It's time to thank Allah for helping us become better Muslims. It's a reward for all the hard work we did in Ramadan. How do we celebrate? We celebrate by praying Eid Salah early in the morning, giving zakat to help those in need, and dressing in our best clothes and enjoying with family. What do we eat? After a month of fasting, we eat delicious food with family and friends. Dates and sweet treats are a big part of the celebration. You'll get to eat chocolates, ice creams, and many other yummy foods. Don't forget sheer korma. Fun time with family. Eid is a day full of happiness, gifts, and fun. We visit relatives, play, and enjoy being together. We also get lots of Eid gifts and money from family members. Remember to be grateful. On Eid, we say Eid Mubarak to everyone and thank Allah for His blessings. Don't forget the poor people on this day. Share your Eid with them and give them an Eid gift.